Welcome to the weekly Mesonet Weather Report. August has started off with a similar pattern to last year with mild temperatures and wetter than normal conditions over much of the state. Wednesday's cool front brought some much-needed rain to a diagonal swath of central Oklahoma. Our newest station at Yukon received the highest amount at 2.77 inches. However, the driest region of the state in southwest Oklahoma was not so fortunate. The cool front also brought some refreshing temperatures. This map shows the 24-hour temperature change from the afternoon of the 7th to the afternoon of the 8th. Bernieville shows a drop of 27 degrees. While these cool, fall-like temperatures feel great to us, they may become a problem for certain developing crops. The shaded blue area of this graph shows the average statewide temperature over the past 15 years for June, July, and August. The yellow line shows the average daily temperature for 2018. This indicates we have been below average since the latter part of July, and forecasts show it may stay that way for a while. Now here's Gary with a new drought monitor and more on the forecast situation.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, the rain and the cooler weather has certainly been wonderful. It does good things to drought. It actually gets rid of it in some cases. But before that rain, we still had increasing drought across the state of Oklahoma. So let's take a look at the drought monitor map and see what conditions were at that time. And I'll be darned if we didn't have D4 exceptional drought introduced once again into far southwestern Oklahoma. Those are areas that have been down 14 to 16 inches of rain since the beginning of the water year on October 1st, 2017. And with the heat that we've had during late spring into summer, it's just taken its toll. So now we have that big blob of maroon down in the far southwestern corner. So we're talking about places Harmon, Greer, Jackson, Tillman County, a little bit of Kiowa County. So that area, and that's of course surrounded by the red, which is extreme drought. So I'm just going to show you what we've seen in pictures. Now the first picture is a field from up in Noble County. This is southwest of a Red Rock Mesonet site. You can see that's a field that looks like winter up that way. Next is a farm pond from up that way, and that has a 5-foot shovel put into perspective how far down that pond it actually is, and you can see that pond is shrinking quite rapidly. Now let's travel down to far southwestern Jackson County. Another very poor looking field, looks like January. If there weren't some green trees in the area, you would think it's January, but unfortunately this was this week, so very poor conditions, looking like the 2011 through 2013 period down that way. So maybe next week we'll have some much better rainfall maps and maybe even some pictures to show you of improving drought conditions. Until then, this has been the Oklahoma Mesonet Weather Report. Thank you.